guys, I'm Lakshya and let's start with this today's fourth one here. You have show that a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus a plus 4d 5d, it goes on till n terms, okay, till n terms, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Guys, this is the given equation. Like here they have given a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus a plus 4d till n terms, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As here, if you observe this like LHS side, you can see this is in the arithmetic progression AP, right? We have learned arithmetic progression, geometric progressions in our earlier classes. Now here this is in the form of arithmetic progression. As guys, let it be. Okay, keep this first term, second term, third term aside. Here comes n terms. Okay, till n terms they have given what? They have given n terms. Where nth value, okay, nth term value, we know nth term value, right? So what you do? Firstly, find out this nth term value. Find out this nth term value. Okay, find out this nth term value. Now what will be the nth term value? You're having a formula according to this, where nth term, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? What's the formula, guys? a plus n minus 1 into d, right? This is the given formula. Now what you do, instead of nth term, instead of n value, you place a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here you have nth term, right? Only instead of nth term, not n value. So this is the n value, this is the nth term value. So instead of nth term, you place a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember guys, okay? Now come back to the other sum. As here, we know this is from mathematical induction. Where mathematical induction will be having 3 steps or 3 cases, where the first step will be n belongs to natural number, where n should be equal to plus 1. Okay, where the first step would be n equal to 1. And the second step would be assume that s of k is true. You assume that it is true. Okay, this will be the second one. And the third step or the third case will be k plus 1th term. Okay, are you getting it? The third step will be what? K plus 1th term. Clear? So this is what it goes on in our mathematical induction. Now coming back to here. As here we got what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, instead of n value, what you do? You replace a plus n minus 1 into d, means nth term. Instead of nth term, I am talking about the term, guys. Okay, this value, not this or this value. Okay, so instead of nth term, you place a plus n minus 1 into d. Now guys, come back to here, where let's go for the first case or the first step, where n equal to 1. Okay, n equal to 1. First case or first step number 1, n equal to 1. So if n equal to 1, let's see, a plus d into a plus 2d, which goes on plus till as here I have said what? N terms, nth term value is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1. N value is what? 1. We have considered n equal to 1, right? So then n value is what? 1. So 1 minus 1 into d. Clear? Which is equal to, here you got what? N by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Into 2a plus n minus 1. 1 minus 1 into d. Is this clear? Okay. This is the equation that we got, guys. Okay. Now here, clear till here. Now guys, what you do is, this will be all the equations that there somewhere over here. And here you just consider this, where a plus 1 minus 1. A plus 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So then what happens here? A plus 0 equal to what? A, right? A plus 0 equal to what? A. Here 2 gets cancelled. Okay, I have a plus 1 minus 1 into d. A plus 1 minus 1 is what? 0 again. Here this becomes a plus 0 is always a. This is equal to a. As LHS side is equal to a. Okay, LHS side value we got what? A. RHS side value we got what? A. So therefore I can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS, right? Where LHS value I got what? A. Then RHS value I got what? A. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. right hand side. Clear? Are you getting it? Very good. Now we are done with the first step or case 1 or step number 1. Let's go for the second one or second step. Let it be. So second one, as here guys, coming back to the second step, what you do, you assume, mean you imagine, okay, you imagine that statement is true. Like here, they have given what? They have given what? S of k. Second one would be S of k. The first one, what we have done? S of n equal to 1. We have concluded this. Okay. First what we have thought, like we said, S of n equal to 1. Now what you do? You consider S of n equal to k, means S of k value. Okay. S of k value. Now what you do? Assume means you imagine. Assume that, what you assume? You assume that S of k is true. S of k is true. Then if it is true, what happens? Let's solve the question as here they have given. Guys, coming to the second step, it's very easy, don't feel much hard or difficult. Where nothing guys, here coming back to the second step, instead of n value, okay, instead of n value you place k, that's all. Okay, instead of n value you place k, means a variable k, okay, you place a variable k instead of n value. As here I will be solving this. As we have done 3 questions right according to this given lecture. So here a plus d into a plus 2d. This goes until a plus n value is what? What I said just now. N value is what? K. So then what you do? You place k minus 1 into d. Clear? A plus k minus 1 into d. This is equal to what? N by 2. N value is what? N by 2. RHS side. Okay. N value is what? K. N value is what? K. K by 2. Here k. So n value is what? K. K by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is what again? K. K minus 1 into d. K minus 1 into d. So this is the given RHS side that we got. Clear? This is the given RHS side that we got. Now what you do? You consider this whole as the first equation. Okay, equation number 1 or first equation. You consider this whole as the first equation or equation number 1. Okay, clear? Now, keep this equation number 1 aside. Okay, just keep it aside. Now here we'll be using this equation number 1. Where equation number 1 is very useful when solving the third step. Okay, going to the third step. This is the second step that we are stuck about. Like here, this is the which step we are going to do with second step or step number 2. We are done with the step number 2. So now let's go for the step number 3. So that's what I have written. Step number 3 over there. Okay. So guys, here I'll come back to this third step where k plus 1. Third step means k plus 1. K plus 1th term. Okay. What's the k plus 1th term value? K plus 1th term value. Wait a minute, I will show you. K plus 1th term value. What you do? Nothing but substitute k plus 1 in the place of n value. Means in the place of nth term value or in the place of n value. Okay, here this is you're having n over here. Here you are having n value. Here you are having n value. Substitute this k plus 1 in these n values. Okay, so k plus 1th term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Means nth term value a plus n minus 1 into d. So instead of n, what you do? You substitute like a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply this formula. Okay, you keep this formula over here. Equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1. N means what? N means what? K plus 1 minus 1 into d. Into d. Clear? Clear? So guys, what we do? What do we do? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Gaya. Wait a minute. Sorry. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 1 cancel, minus 1 cancel. This becomes what? K into d. Kd. So this becomes a plus kd. Okay, this becomes a plus kd. Clear? Now guys, here this is the first equation. This is the first equation. Here comes one step. remember, this is the very important step. Here comes one step like adding on both sides. I will write the step over here. Okay, adding what we should add? Adding k plus 1th term, k plus 1th term on both sides. In equation 1. In which equation? In equation 1. So adding k plus 1th term. So this is the k plus 1th term that we got, right? This is the k plus 1th term. So adding k plus 1th term on both sides. In which equation? In this equation. In equation number 1. Now what you do? You add it as I have said, where k plus 1th term on both sides. So this becomes what? Should I have it? Okay, what do I have? Just go with it. Okay, so here you have a plus k minus 1 into d plus a plus k minus 1 into d plus what's the a plus kd. A plus kd. A plus kd, which is equal to a plus kd, guys. Okay, a plus kd means I have added this k plus 1th term on the right LHS side. Okay, let us add k plus 1th term on the LHS side. So here this becomes what? K by 2 means the value that I am again writing it. Okay, so just now I have written, I am again writing this value 2a plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means what? K minus 1. Okay, k minus 1. N minus 1. N means here k. Okay, don't go for k plus 1 term. But n means here what? K means I am talking about the first equation. Clear? K minus 1 into d. Clear? As here what I said, adding this k plus 1 term on both sides. K plus 1 term on both sides. So plus a plus kd. Okay. Plus a plus kd. Got RHS side. Now what you do, you simplify this RHS side as I have said just now. Now you simplify this RHS side as here, guys, you have 2 in the denominator place, where LCM would become, LCM will be what? 2 will be the LCM. Clear? 2 will be the LCM. So where here you go with k into 2k. 2ak. Okay, 2ak. Again, here just write k plus 1 as it is, like plus k minus 1 plus k minus 1 into k into d, kd. Let it be. Okay. Clear? Plus again LCM with numerator by denominator, 2 into a plus kd. 2 into a plus kd. Clear? 2 into a plus kd. Clear till here, guys? Now what would I do is okay, let's go for the next further step over here. Let it be. Okay. 2ak plus k minus 1 into kd plus 2ak k minus 1 into kd plus 2ak plus 2 into a plus k. Now guys, here coming back to this, I am going to solve this equation over here. Like 2ak plus, let it be here, let 2ak be 2ak, 2ak kd into k, this becomes what? Plus k square t, right? Minus kd means kd into minus 1 minus kd. Okay, kd into k square t, kd into minus 1 minus kd. Again here 2 into a plus 2a, 2 into a plus 2a, 2a into kd plus 2 kd by 2. Clear? By 2. Next, what you do? What would you do? Do nothing else. here guys you have here you have minus kd, here you have plus 2 kd. Okay, here kd minus kd plus 2 kd. This becomes what? Plus kd. Plus kd. So let me write down 2ak. Okay, 2ak plus k square d plus kd plus 2a by 2. Clear? Clear? Now here guys, here comes the last step maybe. As here you have 2ak, take common as k plus 1. K plus 1 into 2a plus wait a minute, k into 2a, 2ak, k into k. Okay yes, by 2 as it is. Now here you can take this as common, like here k plus 1 into 2a plus kd. As here guys, if you see k into 2a, 2ak, k into 2a, 2ak, like this goes like this. Okay, again 1 into 1, k into 2a, 2ak, again k into kd, k into kd, k square d. Are you getting it? And here you have 1 into 2a. 1 into 2a, how much? 2a. 1 into kd, kd. Okay, this is how I have taken common as k plus 1 into 2a plus kd. Means I have taken this as common from this above equation. Okay, from this above numerator I have taken this both as common. So if you multiply k with 2a, then you will be getting this answer. If I multiply k with kd, I will be getting kx squared d. If I multiply 1 into 2a, I will be getting 2a. If I multiply 1 into kd, I will be getting what? Kd. Clear? Clear with this? So guys, here till here we are done. Till here we are done. Where k plus 1. So what's the given question over here? Over there. Where here the question is k plus 1 by 2. K plus 1 by 2. K plus 1 by 2. So k plus 1 by 2 into what's the given? 2a. 2a plus k d. K plus 1 minus 1 into d. This is the one that I wanted last. Clear? Well guys, here k plus 1 by 2. As here I have written this 2 for this one. Okay, I have written this 2 for k plus 1 by 2 into 2a as it is over here. 2a as it is over there. Means just go with the RHS side in the question form and RHS in the answer. Okay. So RHS at last we got what? 2a. This is the 2a that we got. And here I got what? K. KD means here plus minus cancel. Then what it would become, right? If I cancel plus minus, then what it would become? It would become KD as it is. So that's what I have written. I can write this KD as K plus 1 minus 1 into D, right? So that's what I have written. So when this is completely and it's similar to this RHS side. Okay, as here I have considered k plus 1, n value as k plus 1th term. Okay, I have considered n equal to k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1. As here this is the k plus 1 means n value, and here I got what? K plus 1 means it's an n value again, right? So therefore I can say k plus 1th term is true. Okay, as well here as we have talked in the first step. Okay, where the first step we got what? LHS is equal to RHS. So then what you do at that time, you just conclude that therefore n of 1 is true, or therefore s of k is true, like that. Okay, conclude those ones. Thank you.